Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilom ki khubor bamda kasngi. Manda kasngi jong kalai trik jemang arhajar arflai uba akane so shang ubalong MDC jong kamau kerwan ulayo ban plie perdai ke Chief Minister District Level Inter School Athletics Meet Southwest Hill District kaban long lai sngi kanthi bala penya de ko office jong District Sport Officer Southwest Hill District mau kerwat bat yo ban pelong hamadan side snart playground maulangwir. Kumba arfandu tali school kilawan bani shimbenta hagani ke Chief Minister District Level Inter School Athletes Meet Southwest Hill District kaban kutpat haga santurik ujimang. Hagani ke sngi don langru uba damang singkon uba day District Officer Southwest Hill District lembar kiwi deki officer sorkar.
My dear student, being students, remember to be disciplined, to be punctual. Whenever you are called to be in the position, be there. When you are in different school position, behave well. Please remember, do enjoy also, but behave well as the students. Please make sure these 3 days makes this event a successful one by your cooperation. I urge all the sports authority who will be oversee all these programs to see that students will be in good condition by providing them medical or any facilities in event by having or accident that they meet